in Canada, Nova Scotia, or the other way around, Nova Scotia, Canada. I'm so excited for this vlog because I've had a ton of things that I ordered sitting downstairs for the past 2 weeks. I wasn't able. This is too dark. And I wasn't able to unbox it, and I don't know how I was able to sleep. But we are going to be unboxing $1 worth of things that I got. Starting off very strong, the most expensive thing on my radar is my iMac. Oh my god, I just unboxed this. Like, I did a whole video for this iMac, but this thing is sleek. If you know me, you know I'm a sucker for Apple. I love Apple products. Apple makes me so happy. And right now, let me not jump and rush, but I got my iMac. This iMac, I think, I just catch my breath. This is a sign that I'm getting old. Oh my god. This is the M4 iMac. This is the latest one in the Apple collection. I think it was released October or September of last year. So I got it. It cost me about 1900, so like almost 2k sha. So it was the most expensive thing on the list. So now what I'm about to show you guys is not the second most expensive. It's the second most exciting thing that I got. Super excited. It's my, scratch that, it's my 76 inches long mirror and 36 inches wide. It's a huge mirror, and if you know me, if you watch my vlogs, you guys will know how much I've been talking about getting a large mirror. I need to catch my breath again. Deep breaths, Tomiwa. You guys will know how much I have always wanted a huge mirror. I was struggling and trying to decide on whether to keep this mirror downstairs or upstairs. But my downstairs is a little bit packed up right now, so I'm probably going to do this upstairs, and it makes more sense. Like, if I put it downstairs, it's just for aesthetics. If I put it upstairs, it makes more sense because I dress up upstairs. I dress up in my bedroom, in my washroom, and I have the mirror right there. I'm going to be unboxing the mirror. I'm going to set you guys up somewhere here, and we will unbox. Ignore, like I said, this pile of clothes. This video is supposed to be aesthetic and cute, but I have this pile of clothes that I did not fold. You know what? If you do it this way, then you guys probably will not see it. Can you guys still see it? I'll use my bed sheets to cover it so you will not see it. This way, you guys cannot see what's on the couch. Am I not smart? I'm a smarty pants. I'm also trying to vlog. I feel like my camera is wonky and it's bothering me. Okay, much better. I'm also trying to vlog for TikTok. Next thing we're going to be doing is vlogging for TikTok. Where's my phone? My phone is here. I'm going to get the clip for TikTok first. So I've gotten the first TikTok clip, so moving on to the next. The mirror is doing screw as if it has broken inside. It's like, don't break, oh, because I cannot return it again. Dorime, Isa mama orime, abeno. Okay. We are going to unveil next stage to this is we are going to come out the, we are going to remove, you guys, I'm a posh girl, I'm posh, okay? Now we are going to tear open the nylon, but then I remember that I don't think we need to tear open the nylon. We just do this. So this is the mirror. I'm going to show you guys what the mirror looks like close up. So this is what the mirror looks like. Oh my god. You guys, now we can be doing OOTDs. We can now do OOTDs. Like, I don't know what it feels like. My camera is not doing justice to how large, like how large this mirror is. Like, full body, full freaking body. Now I need to just wipe it because if you guys see, it has, can you see, it has some kini on it. So I'm just gonna wipe it now, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after I wipe it. So we are done with the mirror. Next on the list, you know what? I don't know the prices for these things. I will just be putting the prices on the screen. Very strong is my Apple Watch. This is the 40mm Midnight SE. Unboxing it with you guys. This is what it looks like. It came in 2 packages. It came in 2 packages. the watch itself and the strap. I bought this Apple Watch for, that's the price. You know, as usual, you know Apple now, everything must have this, their signature strap. So we're going to strap it open. Strap this one open. Then inside it we have the watch itself. This is the watch head. Inside here, let's see, I think here is the charger. Yes, this is the charger. So you're supposed to place the watch on the charger. Pakam. Then the second one, as usual, Apple with their signature strap. Open, and then when you open it, you have Kumayo. This is so annoying. You have the Apple band. Moving on to the next thing. This one, I got it as a gift. I did not buy it with my money. Everybody say thank you, big man. Thank you, big man. This is the latest AirPod in the AirPod collection. The Apple AirPod. This is the Apple AirPod 4 with active noise cancellation. As usual, we're gonna be unboxing it. How much this person get this Apple AirPod for, I didn't know, but if you go on the Apple store, you'll see there. So I'm going to put the price. That's the price. So let's unbox. As usual, signature brand new. Sham, sissy miam, pam pam pam. Woo! Then you guys, I'm so excited. Like, oh my god, I'm such an Apple girl. Like, and then it comes with this, the Apple case. Is that all? Is that all? Apple, I love you, but that's it. That's it, really? They put in so much effort into like packaging, and it gets annoying in the process. Figured it out. I'm only just realizing that. You know, I told you guys I got it as a gift. It has my name engraved on it. Tomiwa. Oh my god. It has my name. Anyway, people know what the AirPod looks like. So we're going on to the next one. It's the Apple Pencil. I got this Apple Pencil for a reason. This is my former Apple. This is not the real Apple Pencil. This is a stylus pen. I got it from Amazon. I got it that time for like $16, a bit $20. I was like, why would I spend $100 plus on a pencil? So I went and I bought this one, and I've been using this one for a year. I got this one when I got my iPad last year, around April, May. That's when I got this pen. I've been using it ever since. Then it went missing. I looked for this pencil everywhere. I went above and beyond, and I couldn't find this pencil. So I was like, okay. I mean, I'm not going to buy another fake pencil. So I was like, I'll just go and buy the original Apple Pencil. If you don't have money for original Apple Pencil, buy this one. Trust me, it does the same thing. It does the job. I mean, I can't really say if it does the same thing because I haven't used this one before yet. But this one served me. It served the purpose. Tell me why today when I was trying to move my bed around, I found this under my bed. After I had already bought this. I have the second pencil. But this is the Apple Pencil. I got this one from... I didn't order this one directly from Apple. I got my iMAC directly from Apple store. Like, I ordered it from the Apple store. but then I got this one from Amazon, through Amazon, but it's still like the Apple Pencil, obviously. As per usual, this is how much I got it. Signature Apple unboxing. Designed in Apple by California. Sorry, designed designed by Apple. Designed by Apple in California. Scratch that. And then here we have it. Here we have it. Sisimia. Penso tí mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rà ó ti ń jábọ́. Okay, it's not broken. Fresh. Moving on strong to the next stuff. I'm so exhausted. So I also got this 3-in-1 charging station. You can charge your iPhone, your iWatch, and your AirPods. This is how much I bought it. Let's unbox. This one was cheap. I got it from Amazon. Everything I got from Amazon will be linked in my Amazon storefront, so you can check the description box for that. Make sure you shop so that I can get some money. Okay? This is what it looks like. Oh, I love the smell of new things. So it comes with the cable, the head, and the charging station itself. I got it in the color white, I think. Yes, I got it in the color white. So I think this is how it's going to look like. So this one will probably rest at the back, so you place your phone here and here for the Apple Watch, and then here for the AirPod. I'm going to do all 3 of these because they are very cheap, and I got all of them from, I got this too from Amazon, and I got this from Temu. This is just a case, like a pencil case for my Apple Pencil. This is screen guard, tempered glass. This is privacy screen for my iPhone 15, and a case for my iPhone 15. So this is the case. I already launched it. It's pink, very pretty. For some weird reasons, I decided to go for pink, which is very unlike me. If you know me, you know I'd rather go for black or white. But one of the things I liked about this is this thing. I'll insert a picture of how it looks like. It stands. The Amazon link for this will be in my description box, and this. But then this one was from Temu, so there will be no link for that. How much I got all 3? Right there. The next thing I got, this is a very big package. I don't know if I can carry it, but I hope you guys can see. Let me try and push. This is a TV stand. You guys know I had that big IKEA TV stand, but I sold it on Facebook Marketplace because it was taking too much space. I don't have a big living room, so I needed space, so I got this one. I got this for, this is the price I got this for. I walked into a store to get this, and when I went into the store, I didn't even plan on getting it, but then it was on sales for a ridiculous amount, and it was the exact type of stand I was looking for. I was already on Amazon, and I already had it in my Amazon cart, and the one I saw on Amazon was like $120. I was going to buy it, and I walked into a store, and I saw this one for like $67 or so. I was like, heck no, I'm getting it. The only downside was that they didn't have it in the color white, and I wanted to get white. They only had it in the color grey. My apartment, the 3 colors in my apartment, grey, white, and nude. Grey, it worked. I would have preferred white, but it was cheap, so I got this. I haven't unboxed it yet, so I'll show you guys when I do the unboxing later today. Yeah. My camera died, so I had to go and put in a new battery. This is a huge package. Everything in this box is from Temu. This package, everything in this package, I got it specifically for my desk. You guys will see the setup in the unboxing of the iMac, because it's a whole different video, and I don't know if the video will come before this one or if this one will come before that one, but you get the gist. It's like an iMac stand, so a stand for the iMac on top of the standing desk. This is the stand. It goes exactly with my desk, and the stand came with 4 legs. This is the first leg, this is the second leg, and there are 2 other legs that look like this. I'm too tired to go down, and those legs go into the stuff. Is a little dusty. China, do better. So you roll it into this place. Hold on, let me show you guys. This is basically what it will look like. Stand. It will now stand like this, pack them on my desk, then my iMac will now go on top. Does it make sense? You better do. I got this standing desk for this amount. I got a case for the Apple Watch to protect my Apple Watch from cracking, breaking, or whatever. Also from Temu. Oh no, scratch that. I actually got it from Amazon. It will be in my Amazon storefront, and the link will be in the description box. This is a table mat, keyboard and mouse mat. So I actually got it so that my keyboard, my iMac keyboard, and my mouse could sit pretty on it. Oh my god, it looks so sleek. Oh! And it was very cheap. It was like $4. Yeah, but this is the accurate amount that I got it. Then I got this thing. This is supposed to be like a pencil case-ish, but it's aesthetic. I think I got it for like $3. I don't know, but this is how much I got it. It's very, very fine. It will go on my table. Let me even put it now. Where's it cute? Then I got strip lights. These lights, I don't know where exactly it's going to go. I don't know if it's going to go on around the desk, or if it's going to go behind the iMac, or if it's going to go around the table, just to give the table illumination, just to give it that aesthetic cutesy vibe. You get? So yeah, that's what we're doing. How much I think I got it for something cents or something dollar. This is how much I got it. So that brings everything down to the sum total of all of this large shopping spree. That being said, I want to please ask you people to please continue to watch my YouTube channel. I need all the support in the world. I am currently broke, so therefore I need YouTube money, I need collaboration money, I need sponsorship money. If this is your first time on my channel, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to please continue to watch my video, like my video, share my video to your loved ones and your family. And I want to say a very big thank you to all of my subscribers. You guys are the reason why I'm here. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodaloo!